To South Sudan, because South Sudan citizens living in oil production areas are complaining of health complications, with many facing fears of drinking contaminated water from oil tanks. The government is working on modalities to investigate the causes of the damage by consulting international experts for solution, but the affected communities are calling for urgent response from the authorities. Here's more details of that in this report.
Communities living in oil-producing areas in South Sudan say they are experiencing alarming birth defects, miscarriages and other health problems. Many say they fear water being consumed by both residents and livestock is polluted by oil.
For sure, there are strange diseases here. You find children of 2 months or 1.5 years suffering from strange diseases. We understand the government is trying to address the environmental challenges, but we need more to be done to protect us.
South Sudan's government says it wants to determine the state of oil operations in the country and any resulting pollution, but the Petroleum Ministry says the process is delayed because it wants an international company with a good reputation to conduct the study.
We know the concerns of the people about the environment. We are also going to have a comprehensive environmental audit, and this also has to be done through an international tender.
South Sudan's government says it is also working with oil companies in the country to build hospitals, schools and roads for residents of areas where oil is produced. South Sudan depends on oil to fund 98% of its budget. One of the government's policies is to give 2% of oil revenue back to communities living in oil-producing areas for development and the management of oil hazards such as pollution. But those communities say the money has done very little on the ground.
That report there in South Sudan eventually